March 27th, year 2018. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear daughters, as you travel on the pathway to the divine, you will learn a variety of lessons. These lessons, although not always easy, are the building blocks on which your soul's education is formed. Many of these lessons are referred to as problems. These problems afford one an opportunity to examine those characteristics which need fine-tuning, not only in oneself, but in those who cross their path as well. I have spoken to you of many things over the years, and most recently have cautioned my children to get their spiritual houses in order. To do so, the soul must respond to the spirit within. In order to see what needs attending to, one should look at the fruits of the Spirit to see where they are in their personal quest for enlightenment. For these are the characteristics akin to the divine and are not, as you know, easily attained. Love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control are fruits of the Spirit. Behaviors which counteract these characteristics determine what needs to be learned. When you allow your higher consciousness to examine your own soulful progress, you are able to see through our Father's eyes that which He sees in each of His children. Oftentimes, my children impede their spiritual growth by casting judgment on others as well as themselves. When intentions and motives are harmonious, then you will see the characteristics of the divine flourish. I am the potter, and you, my children, are the clay. All souls are in the process of growing, and when you allow your higher consciousness to prevail, then you negate those emotions and behaviors which create dis-ease within. True humility comes from a contrite and gentle spirit. As your higher awareness develops, you will reach a higher understanding of yourself, thereby not passing judgment, but rather seeking to rise above that which creates barriers to that which is meant to be learned. Self-examination is never easy, yet it is necessary in order to develop those characteristics which our Father desires for all. When you pray for right understanding, then and only then will you eliminate those behaviors which impede one's spiritual growth. You, my earth angels, by your very nature, are endowed with gentle spirits. Yet you must take care not to react to those who are consumed with self, thereby passing judgment on those around them. For this only impedes their own spiritual growth. Far better to see what is lacking in oneself. When you see something that is less than lovely in another, it provides an opportunity for self-examination. I remind you, our Father uses all things in all ways. Every problem is an opportunity for right resolution. Yes, there is something to be learned for all. As seekers of truth, you must avoid self-recrimination, as this creates barriers to your own higher understanding. Ask yourselves what is meant to be learned, and you will rise above that which creates dis-ease within. Our Father knows all souls are in the process of learning that which will help one to arise above those barriers to one's higher self. You, my daughters, are embarking on a new part of your journey. You will continue to learn, although these lessons now will be of a higher nature. It is imperative you listen intently now, so that you will avoid those pitfalls which place barriers to that which I desire for you to learn. You are ready, my daughters, for these lessons, yet you must be ever vigilant, keeping your hearts and minds on the heavens above. Do not get caught up in that which will not bear good fruit. There is a new world on the horizon. Take care lest my people be left behind. I do not say this to chastise you. However, it is important that you understand there is a new world coming, and time is of the essence now. Thank you, my dear ones, for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 137 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.